if you wanna eat properly pancakes, you have to have three things. What kind of things do you have to have? Okay, you can see me. You have to have, first of all, you have to have like a pancake. See, this is a pancake. This is typical homemade pancake. You know, I let my mom to make this, you know. Then, when you have a pancake, you see, like a plate of pancakes, you have to find another thing, and that's a knife. See, okay, a knife, you see guys. Then, when you have a knife, you have to have the best guys, this is the best. This is the best, guys. So Nutella, what do you do with pancakes? What do you do with pancakes and Nutella? Huh? Figure it out. And then I know you don't know that, but you have to know that the final bit's gotta be this. See, banana. Yeah, motherfucker. Ah, you can use this banana on so many things. You can shoot somebody like laser. Then you can eat it. You can use it like if you don't have a proper thing, you can use it with your girlfriend, you know. They all like this big, you know. So you can do it like it's perfect for a G spot. You see G spot? See G spot. Okay. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a banana, peel it up. Just a moment. We're gonna peel it up. We're gonna peel it up. You see, banana. We're gonna peel it up. We're gonna take this. This is like a big banana, guys. You know? It's perfect for doing some jobs. We gotta peel that banana off. We gotta throw that banana. And what do we have to do? Now connect, guys. Have to take Nutella, chavapi, I think pancakes. Stick it in! Like. See? Have to, not so much, it depends on how do you like, you know. If you like really a lot, you can do it like this, you know. If you don't like it, you put it like a little. So I'm gonna take like proper amount of Nutella. Take it and stick it like this, you see? See? You gotta put it like this. Oh. If pancake is gonna do some sounds, that's like proper thing, you're doing the proper thing, you see? Oh. Just a moment. You know? You gotta take more Nutella. You gotta just squeeze it, you see? Guys, don't be hungry right now. See, a lot of Nutella. Nutella is gonna make you big, happy. Stay on the plate, goddamn. It's gonna make you big and happy, you see? You see? Yeah. And Mandalus, just a moment, guys. My headphones are dying. So yes, you gotta take Nutella, put it back, wipe it, you know, and then the magic thing. Make it big and happy, huh? Then you have to put this. Land it, guys. Just land it. You can put it here, you know, or on the middle. See, I'm gonna put it like this. See, and then we're gonna. Okay, you go down. Then you're gonna scroll. If you wanna make like a bigger pancake, if you don't have two bananas, you can take like two pancakes, two of them, so it's gonna be bigger. Oh shit, he's nasty. Look at him, man. Then you take and you just scroll, squash it, guys. See, scroll, big, nice one. And this is, guys, this is like the biggest, the best pancake ever. See, what do you have to do? It's like the holy grail for women. They all want to have this, and you just have to show them how to do this. fantastico. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is a recipe, guys. This is very good. See? So, and when your girlfriend see this, she's gonna know how to do it. Yeah? You're gonna just tell her, imagine, like, thank God. So these are the best pancakes in your life, guys. You gotta try it.